Away pekele halukwe kwa korale Minnesota wikoko wono. Away pambamu badari awe hadithi nyawale ani America tasisote so lepa sokla kale wikoko wikirikono. Wikoko wikirikono.
He's leaving the East Coast in the background, which you can see that ocean back there. Now, this figure is representing hope, and this figure is representing wisdom. Now, they're leading him to Minnesota. Now, in the panels that we can't see right now, he's learning about Minnesota's land, about the wild animals here, about the agriculture and the industries. Now, in the very final painting, he is seen in his throne, he's cloaked in wisdom. Hope right next to him. He has some of Minnesota's greatest resources right by him. Now this building itself had come to represent all the fine architecture and the fine arts here in Minnesota. It was something that Minnesota was very proud of. Now this little bread is representing our agricultural industry. And this torch is representing our mental progress. We wanted everyone to know that we were well educated, we had a strong government here, and we had farming and very powerful in 1911. Now, when Capstone started designing this building, we had a budget of
Away miweda no papera prada sinya kwa runa away.
welcome to the Supreme Court. Now, this is the highest court in Minnesota. Now, what happens is there's about 800 cases that are petitioned to be heard here every single year. Now, we have 7 justices that sit at this bench and hear those cases. Now, they don't quite have time to hear 800 cases a year. They hear about 8. Now, there are 3 types.
W go adelo no. Bye bye.